Hi, I'm Shivarvin. Here I'm coming up with another video. Let's get started. Basic firewall configuration. Things we'll cover today is basic firewall configuration in address creation, IPv4 configuration. Today we are going to see the topic is how to create address in the CLI, config firewall address, show. It will show us how many addresses it has been there. Edit, going to create a new user, so edit user 1. The new entry has been added. Set subnet 192.168.1.5, and we need to keep a /32 since it's host bit. Next, that's it. It has been created. This you can check by entering show command as it has been created. Let's create one more user. Edit user 2. Set subnet 192.168.1.10. Here I'm going to make it as 255.255.255.255. Next. That's it. As it has been created, either we can give it as /32 as well as entering into the subnet as well. Config for get. By using get command, you can see what you have created. Get user 1, so that you can see the IP address of that one. Get user 2. Go to the policy in the object, firewall policy. Let's see what are the policies will be available. Okay, only the two policies are. So let's log into the CLI. We are going to configure the firewall policy in the CLI here. So config firewall policy, enter, then click show. So what are the policies will be available, that will be shown here. There are two policies that we have seen in the GUI as well. Those things will be shown here. Now click edit 0. For giving edit 0, no need to worry about what all the number has been used already. Set name as CLI. Okay, then set source interface will be the port 1, that is a LAN interface. Set destination interface will be the port 2 WAN facing interface. Set source address will be LAN. Have kept as capital. Okay, fine. Set destination address will be all. I'm going everywhere. Set action accept. Set schedule always. Set law service all. Give enter. Set log traffic all, and the important one will be set NAT enable. If you didn't enable NAT, the internet in the LAN segment don't work. Then give next. That's it. Now we have given us edit 0, but it is created as edit 3. That's the magic of edit 0. Always do edit 0. Let's see whether we have done the changes that has been reflected in the GUI as well. Yes, it has been reflected. Let's check whether we have done any mistake in this while configuring the CLI. I think I don't make any mistake. Let's cross check once. I think everything looks fine.